everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because I'm doing my February what was spent, what was sent, and what was saved. I did this last month because I was inspired by Lauren May Beauty. She does like a what was spent, what was sent every month, and I like that idea because I'm a micro influencer, so I really get little PR, but when I do, I like to let you guys know about it. And since I am on a low buy, this is kind of helping me hold myself accountable as to what I am spending. So let's just go ahead and get into it. In the spent category, what I spent this month, I'm not really setting a beauty budget, but like I said, I am on a low buy. I'm not really supposed to be buying much, and Lord, this month that I break that. So we started the month strong with 2 Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I got, oh God, the smallest box, was that the deluxe? I'm so bad. Like, he has all these different names, deluxe, supreme, God only knows. So I got the smallest and the biggest. And together that was $205. So that was a lot of money, but I actually ended up selling a lot of the items that I didn't want. I sold $123.85 worth of that Jeffree Star stuff that I got that I didn't want. So really, it's like I spent $81.15 on the Jeffree Star. We're gonna go with that number because I immediately paid myself back. And then a lot of you know I get BoxyCharm and Boxy Premium. I'm getting both right now. That's $25 and $35, so $60. But again, the reason I'm okay with subscription boxes and mystery boxes is because if I don't like everything, I can resell some of the stuff, make some of my money back, pay myself back. Or if I like everything, cool, win-win. That means I got a great deal. But I did end up selling $27 of the BoxyCharm stuff off, so that brings it down to $33. $33 I spent on BoxyCharm. Now this I'm not making any money back on. So I get FabFitFun, which I pay that in advance. I have a yearly membership, so I didn't pay anything for my FabFitFun box that I got this month, but I did shop the add-on sale. I got this Pixi Glow Mist, this huge size, for $9. It was a great deal, I couldn't pass it up. And then I really wanted to try Kosas, so I got 3 of these duos. I swatched them earlier, but there's a powder blush and highlight, and then 2 cream ones. I don't know if you can see that very well. These were $17 each, so I did spend $60 on FabFitFun add-ons. That was bad. If you saw my review of the Moroccan oil hair mask, I'll put it like around here somewhere. I spent $7 on that hair mask from Sephora, and it didn't work, so it was a total waste of $7. And then lastly, BoxyCharm had an add-on sale. I don't know if they do it every month, but it was the first one I shopped. I wasn't going to, but I&H was one of the brands that they had in there, and I&H, if you don't know, is insert name here. They do like extensions and ponytail, like fake ponytails, fake buns, all kinds of like fake hair, artificial hair. I don't know what you want to call it. Some of it's human hair actually. And it's normally like $49, and I'm so tempted by this, the ponytail I want. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. There's this ponytail called the Maya, and I always like look at it, but it's $49, and even with like their 10% off that they give you every once in a while, it's still like too much. Well, BoxyCharm had it for $34.50, and I was like, ooh, that's a pretty good discount on their add-on sale. I was like, that's a pretty good discount. I added it to my cart, and I was like, you don't need it, you don't need it, don't get it. Well, like 2 days before the sale was over, they emailed me, and they're like, don't forget your $10 off coupon. And I was like, I have a coupon? No way. So I added my $10 off coupon, and it brought the $34.50 ponytail down to $24.50. Then I went to check out. Then they tried to charge me shipping because it ships free after $25. So then I added, I'll just get to it now. I added this for $2. So I spent $26.50 on the BoxyCharm add-on sale. I got this Spongel all-in-one treatment. I think it's for your feet, if I'm not mistaken. I got it for $2, and I like the brand Spongel, so it's fine. It comes with like 2 of these little guys. And then I got my fake ponytail. So I gave me this bag. I haven't opened it yet because honestly, I don't even know. It's not a match at all. And this was like the second darkest color. It was like the darkest brown they had, or else black was an option, but my hair is not black. It's just super dark brown. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about this yet, but I have a fucking fake ponytail now. So after subtracting what I sold back and paid myself back, I spent, I'm trying to read my bad handwriting. It looks like I spent $207.65 on beauty products this month. That's really high. I gotta reel it back in next month because that's really high. Now, scent. I did not get much PR this month. I actually only got 1 package of PR, and it's Good Molecules. It just came the other day. So they sent me their new Clarify and Cleanse Bar. If I'm not mistaken, it's a soap for your body, so that's cool. I'll definitely try it out. And then they sent me their new caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches. I really do like eye patches, so I'm super happy about this one. It Seems like you get a good amount of product too. I'm not sure, but the bar of soap retails for $8. The eye patches or eye gels, whatever you want to call them, this retails for $18. So super happy to have these because everything that Good Molecules has sent me so far, I've loved. Now, keeping with full transparency, any makeup that comes into my collection, I'm telling you guys about. So what was sent, my friend Savannah, hey Savannah, actually sent me a really lovely package, and I'm not putting a monetary value on it because I'm not an asshole, but this is makeup and stuff that has come into my collection, so I'm telling you about it. She got me a little Glam Glow sheet mask. These are some of my favorite masks. They're the bubble sheet mask. She sent me these 3 single shadows from Sydney Grace. I actually already moved the other one to my collection, but she sent me 2 loose shadows from Sydney Grace. And then this mini Hourglass ambient lighting blush, which was just so nice for her to send, but I didn't pay for it myself, and it is new to my collection, so that's how I got it. It was from my friend. As for what I saved this month, the only thing that I said I was for sure gonna get was the Bloodlust palette from Jeffree Star. And my most recent, was it my anti-haul or will I buy it? Whatever it is, I told you guys I'm gonna get this. As soon as it goes live, I'm gonna try to get it. And you know, I think just by looking at the color story more and having to wait like, I don't know, 2 weeks for it to actually release from when he announced it, I just wasn't that excited for it anymore. And I got in my collection the day it was gonna launch. I'll put swatches here. And I looked at Trend Booth swatches and I tried to dupe it and I came really, really close. So I talked myself out of it. I said I didn't need it and I ended up saving myself $54. So I just need to start doing that with all new things, seriously. But yeah, that wraps up my February what was spent, what was sent, and what was saved. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want me to keep making these videos every month, please let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.